At Appliance Outlet, laundry appliances are more than just machines. They're part of your everyday routine. We focus on helping customers choose equipment that makes life easier, quieter, and more efficient. Our warehouse showroom features a wide selection of laundry appliances in Vancouver, British Columbia, including modern washers and high-capacity dryers. We believe shopping for laundry appliances should feel practical, not overwhelming. That's why our team walks you through features like capacity, efficiency, and durability before you decide. Here, value comes from both pricing and guidance. Our knowledgeable staff helps you compare options that suit your home, lifestyle, and budget. Seeing appliances in person allows you to understand how they're built and how they perform. This hands-on approach gives customers confidence in their purchase. Customers return to Appliance Outlet because they appreciate honest advice and competitive pricing. Building long-term trust matters just as much as selling appliances. Call us today at 604-656-4050 or visit applianceoutlet.ca/appliance-stores-Vancouver. Appliance Outlet. Practical appliances, real value.